Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car. I'm at a Cars and Coffee, and it's starting to break up, and I looked off to the side, and I saw this beautiful Chevy Cameo. And John, can you tell us about your Cameo?
It's a 1957, has an original motor, 265 engine. Came from Arizona. I've had it about 2 years.
Wow.
It was restored in about 99.
Okay.
So
Can I open the door?
Sure. The guy used it as a farm truck.
Really?
Yes, that's why the bed's all scratched up, and it's not perfect, but been looking for one for a long time. It's the right color, and yeah.
Because that was going to be one of the questions I wanted to ask. Because I saw one of these at Fastlane the other day, and when I shot it, I was talking about what would be the purpose of it, because it's too nice for a farm truck, and yet this guy in Arizona.
Right. Yeah, he hauled stuff in it, and that's why the bed's all scratched up. It's still got the original wood in it, and but it's a work in progress,
Yeah.
And most people know, I guess, the outer skin. They know it's fiberglass.
Oh, this is?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah, the outer skin's fiberglass, and the tailgate skin, that's fiberglass. So.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just so beautiful.
Truck, man. You got
Thank
there.
you. Thank you.
I seen you come through Sonic last night.
Yeah, I know where to park. So.
Yeah.
So I just went the other direction.
Uh-huh.
So.
Well, that's neat, man.
Yeah, thank you. Probably go to lumber tonight for the cruise.
Yeah. Well, they kept talking about next weekend's the cruise.
Yeah.
But I think they put it out that pop-up over in Arnold. And then everybody says, well, we're going limber. So we'll see. There'll be people up there. There's no doubt about it,
It'll be crazy.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, John, can we look at the engine?
Sure.
Oh, wow, you have bias ply on it.
No, they're radials.
Are they really?
Yeah, they look like bias boys.
They really do.
Yeah.
How are they on the cracks on the road?
Oh, great. Yeah, I had to put radials on there,
Yeah.
So,
Wow.
yeah.
If you put a gun to my head, I would have said those are bias ply.
No.
I did not know that they...
Yeah, we took the generator off, put alternator on. I did some upgrades and things. And
Yeah.
Put electronic ignition and electric fuel pump and just a few things.
Yes.
So, but yeah. So.
And it still has an oil bath, but you don't have oil in it, I'm assuming?
Oh, I still use it. Yeah, it's got oil in it. Yeah.
And I've always thought this was a beautiful, light, mid-50s Chevy trucks had.
Yeah.
What is your favorite feature or item on the truck?
I like the whole thing.
Yeah.
I like the contour of the bed, the way it dips in, and everything about it.
Yeah. There's so much to like.
Yeah. Hard to find. Don't see too many of them.
No. And the wraparound back window.
Yeah.
Is so beautiful.
Yeah, you got to have the big window. It's like being in a fishbowl. You know, no blind spots. You know.
No, not at all.
So.
And how is it on the highway?
Good.
Yeah.
I don't take it on there too often, but it has the overdrive on it, so you can put that in, and runs good.
Well, thank you so much for letting us shoot it and telling us the story behind the car. One last question. I knew the 3100, but was the 3124, is that Cameo?
Cameo.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. Yep. So.
And I always thought this was beautiful too.
Yeah,
That was
V8.
only on the Cameo as well?
No, I believe so, but it just says it's a V8, you know, and then you had the automatic had a little bit different signature on there. So,
okay.
But yeah. Anyway.
Well, thank you so very much, John.
Yeah, thank you.